Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening.
Evening. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you very much
Evening,
for.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Good
Hello,
evening.
kids. How are you doing?
Ma'am, we are fine.
All set?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great.
I would like to welcome Dr. Kapila Kumar. She has done his PhD from in biotechnology, and she is currently working as assistant professor in Manav Vishnu International University. Thank you very much for ma'am for taking out some of your precious time for us and
It is pleasure.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So we will start with Laranya first. Okay, Laranya, you can share your screen and show your project to us.
Hello, everyone. My name is Laranya Monga, and today I'm going to show you a game. So there are two games in this. Ma'am, do you want to play the game?
Yes, sure. We can start.
Ma'am, you can now play the game.
Oh, great. I'm clicking
So, ma'am,
on.
which you want to play?
Let's chat first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, shall I type?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My name is.
Ma'am, you have to write only your name, otherwise it will say
Oh,
meet you. My name
okay.
is.
So who remembers my name?
Ma'am,
Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
So my name is Kapila Kumar. Is this fine, Laranya?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nice to meet you too. My favorite fruit. It's an apple. Okay. Okay. Thank you. This is my favorite animal. It is tiger. My favorite color. It is red. Oh. Bye bye. Nice game, Laranya.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, do you want to play the balloon shoot now?
Sure, sure. How do I go back?
Ma'am, you have to click on this flag.
Okay. And then start. And then balloon shoot. Oh my god. I'm bad at games. Oh, they're flying away. No score. No score. I'm poor at games, Laranya. I'm not able to catch hold of it. Yeah. No, I did not play good.
Okay. Okay. Very good, Laranya. Please, guys, give her a big round of applause.
Yeah, very nice, Laranya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Tanishka, you can share your screen now.
Yes, sir.
So which level is this? This is Pro Gamer.
Yeah, ma'am, they are from GoProGamer.
Pro Gamer.
Your screen is not shared yet, Tanishka.
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Yeah, now we can see your screen. You can maximize your screen to show your project and introduce your project.
Yes, sir.
बंद हो गया वो.
Sir, just a second.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You open your project. Till the time we will let Sparsh share his screen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Sparsh, you can show your screen, share your screen, and show your project to us. What you have made.
Okay, so wait for 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure. What's the name of your project, Sparsh?
Sir, my scheme, sir, wait for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Let me share
Okay.
my computer sound also. Sir, its name is my scheme.
Okay. My scheme.
You can play this game.
Oh, everybody wants me to play.
Number arrow keys.
Okay. So you have started?
Yes, it is started. You can
Oh,
play with arrow keys.
but it is not moving.
Sparsh, give the controls to ma'am first.
I have given her.
Okay.
No, it is not moving ahead.
Ma'am, click
Ma'am,
on the
you can
screen first, then you can make it.
you can ask the control, then I can give.
Okay, how to do that?
Go in the there would be coming no that view all when you will press on it that there will be coming
View
request
options. Yeah.
remote control, then press on that, then request.
Request remote control. Request. Okay.
I got request and now you got.
Okay.
Now press on the green flag.
Yes, now it is moving. Oh, it is going back. I touched the line.
No, if we will touch the line, then we will be out, and if we will touch the loaf of bread, then we will win.
Okay. So it is a test of mine.
And I can only show you.
I'm trying. Let us see. If I can get my bread. I'm hungry too. Yay! I won my bread.
Very
Great,
nice.
great job, Sparsh.
Please, guys, give a big round of applause for Sparsh also.
No, I should stop.
Yeah, you can stop sharing your screen. Okay. Yes, Tanishka, you can share your screen now.
Yes, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So, ma'am, do you want to do the conversation with her? Actually, it's a conversation, and she's asking that what actually coding means. So,
Okay. So
do
how
you,
can I do that?
ma'am, just take my screen and you can do it.
Again, I will request.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please make it for full screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, so it started.
Okay. Again. So Tanishka, tell my name. Tanishka. What is my name? Oh, it is so difficult. Nice name. Yes. Coding is fun. I don't know. I don't code. I'm not able to type it, huh?
Yeah, it is coming right. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So that was only it was there that you have told her, so she told you thanks. And
Okay. So is it fun for you? What is coding for you?
ma'am, it's a language which that computer can understand.
Oh, so technical.
Okay, who else can answer this question? What coding is? Laranya and Spash. Let's ask you guys what coding is.
Ma'am, sir, the language that computer understands.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And
Okay, what do we do with coding? Like what you
We
guys are
make-
doing with the coding?
we make games, animations, stories, and programmings with coding.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you are understanding computer's language. Yeah?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Well done, guys. Sparsh, Laranya, and Tanishka.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for taking out your valuable
Thank
time
you
for
so
us.
much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I played games.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
It's
you very
over?
much once again. Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.